Are they as big as you? Come here. Do you think Daddy could carve this pumpkin for Halloween? That would be a lot of work to carve that pumpkin. Go to the side. There you go. Whoa. Yeah. Who's that, Eddie?
Yes.
Chase. What do you think of it, Abby? Nice horsey? It's big. What do you think, Wes? Good. Is big good? What do you think this one's like? Oh! Was that loud?
Yeah.
It's big. Oh, look, it's so big. Hi, horsies. Oh, they're saying hi, Abby. Almost. Try it again. Hey, you did it. That was for Wesley.
This is from Paw Patrol.
It's from Paw Patrol. I don't know about that.
Three little pigs. What is it made out of?
Wood. Hi, Abby.
Wood.
Hello.
What's there?
What is that?
Window.
Oh, neat. Yeah, let's go over there. Look at Daddy and Wesley. Whoa.
You can do it. Jump.
Whoa.
Come on. Hands over there. Yeah. Remember we said we're looking at thing four How's it going, Wes?
Good.
Discovering more parks.
Wow, they're so fluffy. They're nice, yes. They're nice. Abby, Daddy's gonna bring you a kitty.
Just pet it.
Aww. Is it a nice kitty? Can you give her a hug? Do you like the kitty? Did you pet the kitty? Pet the kitty. Oh, gentle, 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 gentle.